Hi guys, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share. So I am getting ready to send my swap out for the Hugs and Kisses swap hosted by Mommy and Me Crafts and Roxy. I'll leave all of the information down below, and I'm super excited. This was a little bit of a challenge for me. I had a lot of mojo in the beginning, and then towards the end it was just like a lot of juggling of life. Anyways, enough. We had specific requirements. One of them had to be a mailbox, and I may have taken the whole concept a little too literally, and I created this really adorable mailbox, and I posted a little sneak peek on my Instagram, and it's really big, you guys. I had a hard time kind of putting it together. There are some imperfections on this, but I really loved how it came out. It is really pretty and pink. I loved this little lace detail, which I added as a kind of a mask to hide some of the imperfections. But again, so cute. I did add this little bow that I got from Ally, and this is a Cricut cut file that is free on their site. I wish I sized down, to be honest. It is fairly big, and I was just trying to figure out how I was going to send this out, so this was a little bit of a hassle. I did add Velcro dots on the top to kind of keep it in, and in here I added some goodies. I added, ooh, the topper fell off. I added this little topper that Tony had given to me many moons ago in a swap that we did, and I loved how that looked. So I'm trying to use up more of my stash. And here I have this little heart box, and I included some of my handmade flowers. Let's see. Close that up. I included, since it was a sweet theme, these little cupcake erasers that I got from the Target. And here I included some little socks. And then I have, this is a Pixie Dust Designs little tea box. And I love how this came out. I just added some sequins mix in here. And I just love this box. This has to be my favorite little box. I just added her name on top. Little heart rosette. You're the sweetest. And here I included a little trim sample. You can never have enough. And I also gifted her a box of chocolates. And then let me see what else I have here. Oh, in here I included, oh, it fell out. I included a die and some stickers. So a little gift for her. And I hope she loves this loaded little mailbox. I'm just gonna stick this back in fairly nicely. This was a fun swap, and again, I haven't created a large swap like this in a while, so it was nice to just kind of get the creative mojo going. Okay, so that is my mailbox. I'm just going to put that to the side. And then I created this little envelope to house my Valentine's Day card. So again, a little heart rosette on top, and I used the this is a Cricut acetate. Just folded a 12 by 12 in half, and then just added some paper on top and did a little stitching. I added this tassel that I made. It says XO, which is kind of ironic because the group swap is XO. And here's my card, you guys. I'm using oh my god, Scrapaholics chipboard, and I love this little gumball machine. It was so cute. She can take this off and use this as a just as an embellishment. I just adhered it with some glue dots, and again, fun and little embellishments. I did add that really pretty paper from Michael's a few years back. So that is my card, you guys. And it's a little fancy little envelope, and I hope she likes it. So cute. And then last but not least, here's my little embellishment book. I was really inspired. I have it right here. I received in my swap that I did with Janae. I want to say it was 2 years ago. And yeah, her book had me inspired. And I wanted to send a fun little embellishment book. So here's my cover. And I did mine in shaker as well. I really took a lot of inspiration from Janae. I don't know how she adhered hers, but I just did stitching on the acetate, and I'm using that little mylar from Basil. On the side, I have this little hook thing that I got from Allie, and then I just added this little tassel on the side. Here is a Scrapaholics piece that I just kind of designed. This got a little mangled as I was trying to figure out how to pack this together, so sorry about that, but still nonetheless very adorable. It is with some snaps. Again, here's the front cover. I used some heart paper, and here's the inside of this little embellishment book. So in here I made this little box, and I have some stuff in here and some embellishments. I have this little tag that I created. I have this bag topper that I made. So cute. And then in the back I have this little embellishment as well. It's a little heart rosette, and this is how the little box looks like. It just has it's like an open envelope, and I just adhered it to the box to give it a little bit of extra storage and cuteness after she takes it out. So oopsie. So oops, I'm gonna put this back. Okay. It was very exciting. I'm sorry for the dinging. Okay, I'm gonna stick that back in after I'm done. And then in here I have little envelopes of different embellishments. Here's my memory dex card. I showed it on Instagram. I'll just go take it out. And I did do a video on this. Again, really fun memory dex card. I added these little hearts, little wire wrap beads, this little corrugated heart, and this full shaker that I designed on my Cricut design space. Sometimes I just like to design my own little creations, and I had a picture in my mind that I wanted to create this. And then in here I have some embellishments. Here's a little shaker mason jar, and I've shown some of these embellishments on my Valentine's Day embelly video. Here's this little heart embellishments that I created. I just included 2. Super fun. And I just wanted a fun way, or a pretty way, to kind of send all these embellishments. I didn't want to send it in like a box or anything like that. Just wanted a pretty little executed. So this took me a little bit of a while to create, but I love the way it came out. Here's our little sweet treat embellies. And just adhere them to some fun acetate. Again, if she wanted to use them, she could. What's in here? Oh, here are some shakers that I included. So she can decorate them as she sees fit. And then in here are the die cuts, and I included a whole bunch of die cuts in here, some fun embellishments that I put together. And that is it for my outgoing swap, you guys. I hope it brought you inspiration. I really had a lot of fun putting it together, despite it just being, you know, me trying to figure out how to get this out there. But I enjoyed making this and creating this swap, and I will leave all of the information to all the talented ladies in our group swap down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.